Hi, and welcome to the third video of the Testlio onboarding series. This video will take you through being part of your first paid test cycle and completing that cycle, as well as how to file a new issue within the Testlio platform. We're going to go ahead and click Start because we are actually ready to start testing. Here in the middle, you will see the actual test plan. In this case, because it's a sample, we just have 5 sample tests here. And over on the right-hand side, we have a timer. This is mainly for your reference, and it will allow you to see how much time you've actually spent on task. We have an info section that will display any information that was added pertinent to this task list. And we also have our chat again, so you can reach out to the test leads or other testers regarding questions and info, clarification, anything you need. So let's go ahead and fill out this task list. We have our simple pass-fail questions here. We also have some paragraph-style questions. We'll fill that out. We have a drop-down style list. We have another pass-fail. And we have, can you see that Testlio is awesome? Definitely yes. If you should happen upon an issue, you'll want to click this new issue button here up in the top right. This is the page in which you'll file an issue. You'd want to enter a clear title and have brackets before the title in which you define the section of the app that is affected, as well as some sort of title here. As you can see, as I type, it shows us issues that have already been filed that may potentially match this title. This will help you prevent duplicates. If a duplicate does exist or a very similar issue does already exist, do not file the issue. Duplicates just prevent noise for the test leads, project managers, and especially our clients. Filing a duplicate can actually negatively affect your tester score as well. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. So please make sure to do your due diligence in finding duplicates. When filing an issue, you'll also want to define the severity here. If you hover over these, it will give you a definition of what each severity is. You'll want to add a label onto it. In this case, we're just filing a bug. We also need to define the affected feature of the app. In this case, we'll just select one here. You will need to select your device, fill out your environment information, the clear steps to reproduce, as we saw before, the expected result, as well as the actual result. Down here, this is where you would add your attachments, such as your log file, your MP4 video, and a screenshot or any other attachments you may have. Even though this one doesn't look good, we're just going to go ahead and submit it so you can see what it looks like. So we have issue 102.620 here. Let's go ahead, go back to our task list. We're actually going to mark that this one has failed as an example, and we're going to put in that issue number that we just filed. As you can see, it populates here. If you do mark a test as failed, you will either need to file an issue for it or select an issue number that already exists. I'm going to go ahead and stop our watch here as we're ready to submit this task list. Please only click the submit button when you are absolutely sure you are done with testing. Also, this is not a good example because we were assigned 2 hours to do this task list. Please always make sure you spend the allotted time testing. We want to make sure that you're spending the full 2 hours that we're paying you for to test before you click the submit button. Let's go ahead and submit this task list now that we are done. All right, we have successfully completed our first test cycle for this project. That's awesome. Just some small notes. If you do have any questions regarding the test cycle, please ask them in the project chat. Please note that the test leads are not there 24/7, but your teammates may also, or other testers may also be able to help out and answer your questions as well. If you do have any general Testlio related questions, please send them to testlions@testlio.com, that for our community team. We also have helpful guidelines that can be found at help.testlio.com. Well, I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have fun testing.